Is your WordPress site still sending emails like it's the Stone Age? Have you ever woken up at 2 a.m. wondering, did any of my emails actually get delivered? Or your customers missed your long-awaited flash sale just because your offer announcement email went straight to spam? So if you're a WordPress site owner wondering where your emails actually landed, relax, you're not alone. This is shared trauma. And trust us when we say, we have a solution. Introducing Icegram Mailer. We built it because sending emails from WordPress should not feel like a nightmare, where you're praying your emails reach inboxes instead of disappearing into the void. Icegram Mailer is the one-stop solution for all your email headaches. You install it, you activate it, you send emails. That's it. No drama, no APIs, no technical rituals, no sacrificing a weekend to email setup. It's a one-click setup. No creating APIs, no pasting keys, no crossing fingers. It works with any SMTP setup because, unlike some plugins, it actually knows how to get along. Your emails land in inboxes, not spam, not pending, and definitely not the Bermuda Triangle. And yes, you can actually track what happened to your emails instead of imagining scenarios and refreshing logs at 3 a.m. So if you're tired of sending emails like it's the Stone Age, stop guessing, stop refreshing, and please, stop blaming plugins that behave like pigeons when it comes to delivery. Try Icegram Mailer, because emails belong in inboxes, not in spam, not in the void, and definitely not in your nightmares. Check out Icegram Mailer now.